Alright everyone, and welcome to git211, your introduction to video game art. This is it. So this class is basically a 7 weeks class that is the exact same class than my 16 weeks on campus class. So you will get exactly the same work. The content is right here, and it's divided into 7 weeks. Doesn't get deeper than that. Alright. You have first week, introduction to video game art. Week 2, CMS texture for 2D video games. Week 3, decals for 2D video games. Week 4, 3D modeling for video games. Week 5, on wrapping and texturing for games. Week 6, animation for games. And week 7, finalization of your mesh and your final test. It doesn't get deeper than that. So this is the fast-paced class. This really the first, second, and third week are 2D, where you're going to create your own 2D level, side-scroller, similar to Super Contra or something like that, Alien Wars. And then after that, in week 4, 5, 6, and 7, you are gonna jump into 3D modeling for video game first, then 3D texturing and unwrapping for video game, and then animation for video game for 3D object. Okay, so this is a very and then preparation, converting it properly to what you need to for the game engine. Okay, so it is a fast-paced class. You need to want to start right away. One very important information is that there is really 2 types of questions. You have general type of questions and personal type of questions. General type of questions, when is the next homework due? I don't know how to use that tool. Those general type of questions must be uploaded to the forum. They are not to be sent to me by email. I will not answer them, because if you post them to the forum, other students that have a similar situation can fix it. Alright? If you have a personal question, I'm sick, what's my grade, things that are very personal, they have to be emailed to me and not posted to the forum. Okay, that's the big difference. No post on the forum should be of personal information. It is a class forum, and it should be only class general information about it. The discussion boards, aka forums, are right here. You click on them and you can see them. You have a hallway discussion, which is an administrative thing. If you see a broken links or something like that, you can post it right there. That will help me big time. Link changes. Nothing is perfect. And then after that, you have your weekly discussion, where you're going to post your progress. And that is why it is important that you start early, so you can post your progress early, so you and I can discuss it and get you to the next level. Okay? So what you got here is you got the Meet Your Professor with my information. Let me turn that off. Right here, that's me, that's my building, this is my different type of degrees, most of them, not all of them, and after that you have my syllabus, all the information about the class, everything, score, points with the weeks and so forth. And then after that you have the textbook information, buy it used. It's cheap, and the reason I use it, it's because it does really do the job the way it should be done. Simple, and it works in game engine. Most of the books don't really work. And then you have the discussion boards, as we've seen that, the hallway conversation right here, and the most important, your course content. Right now you have only week 1 showing off, because it'll go week by week, and they'll show only the one you need to look at. So that's pretty much it for your class introduction. Make sure you start going right away, and you click on week 1 and you look at the video intro and do all the homework that you can see right here. Thank you very much in advance.